So you fooled around in Orange Cat for the last 40 hours in the longest escort mission this side of the star. So let's make Eorzea's finest farmer's breakfast. First off, we're gonna get our 2 starchy lalafels, and we're gonna peel them, chop them, and put them in a stew. Do not trust the popotos. They are full of tyrannical politicians hell-bent on economic domination. Then we'll season these popotos with some salt and pepper along with some olive oil. Into the oven, these dastardly duos will go in at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Next, we're going to chop up our shallots and our kielbasa sausage. I've shown you my sausage. Please respond. Fry up your sausage and your bacon, but keep the grease. We're going to be using it in just a little bit. In your bacon grease, fry up your shallots until they're nice and soft, just like those neck muscles, sculpted from a decade of nodding being unable to respond. Once your popotos have come out of the oven, mix together your sausage, popotos, bacon, and shallots into the pan. Beat together your dodo eggs and pour them all together. Broil the whole pan until the eggs have nicely set and season with parsley. And voila, an Eorzean's breakfast, perfect for the budding adventurer. A perfect dish to grind out those tombstones.